What if your CRM could automatically find missing contact data, refresh itself, and send the results back? Well, with Two-Way CRM Sync with Wiza, it can. Connect an existing CRM segment once, and Wiza continuously enriches the contacts who enter it, giving your team accurate data exactly when they need it. Let me show you how it works. Two-Way CRM Sync with Wiza creates a two-way connection between Wiza and the segments and lists that you already use in your CRM. It works with all major CRM, so you can bring your existing segments and workflows into Wiza without changing how your team works. You define which contacts and segments need attention inside your CRM. Wiza automatically enriches those contacts and syncs the updated data right back to the records. And because the list stays connected, the workflow continues as contacts enter or leave the segment. There's no need to export another CSV, upload it to a separate tool, and manually import the results. You just set up the workflow once, and your contact data keeps moving between Wiza and your CRM automatically. Now, let me walk you through a few exciting ways that you can use this. Now, imagine you want your sales team to call every single person who signs up for your product, but many of those users haven't actually provided a phone number yet. So you just start by creating a CRM segment for new users whose phone numbers are missing. In Wiza, you set up a Two-Way CRM Sync workflow and select that segment from your CRM. Choose the contact information you want Wiza to find, turn on Two-Way Sync, and start the enrichment. Wiza enriches the contact already in the segment and syncs the phone numbers it finds back to your CRM. Now, Two-Way CRM Sync with Wiza can also repair bad contact data the moment your team encounters it. For example, create a CRM segment for contacts whose phone number has been marked as incorrect by your team. When a sales rep flags a wrong number, the contact automatically enters that segment and then it flows directly into Wiza. Wiza then searches for an updated phone number and verifies it in real time, then syncs the results back to the same CRM record. You can build the same workflow for bounced emails, so when an email stops working, the contact enters your connected segment, then Wiza finds the current work email and replaces the email back into your CRM automatically. So instead of just leaving behind a comment saying that the email or the phone number is wrong, your team can then set up a certain tag in your CRM to get that contact updated automatically through Wiza. Now, this same idea can be applied to missing fields, outdated records, or any other group that you can define in your CRM. You can also use Wiza to find new opportunities inside your existing database. You can create a segment for people who've previously booked a demo but didn't convert, close lost prospects, or former customers you may want to re-engage. You just connect those segments to Wiza and enrich them with current contact information. You can also schedule recurring enrichment for the segments. Wiza periodically refreshes the contact data and syncs the latest information back to your CRM so the old list doesn't stay outdated. Now, these are just a few of the most exciting examples, but because the workflow begins with a segment in your CRM, you can customize Two-Way CRM Sync with Wiza around the processes your team already uses and the segments you already have in your CRM. You can build lists for new leads with incomplete records, missing or incorrect phone numbers, bounced work emails, past demos, closed loss opportunities, churned customers, contacts who change companies, or priority accounts that need regular refreshes. Your CRM segments decide who enters the workflow, and then Wiza handles the enrichment and returns the updated data back to your CRM. Two-Way CRM Sync delivers Wiza's enrichment power without the repetitive list exports. Your CRM stays just as flexible, minus all of the data cleanup. And it keeps your contact lists and CRMs current, so your team never has to maintain every record by hand ever again. Now, this Two-Way CRM Sync is only one way to keep your contact data accurate and ready to use. In this next video, I'll walk you through the full Wiza platform, including how to find verified contact data, build lead lists, and connect Wiza to your existing sales workflow. So click the video on screen right here or go down to the link in the description to watch the full demo, and have a magical day. I'll see you in the next video.